Today's video is going to focus on strengthening the arms and shoulders, followed by some stretches. Let's get started. Arm circles. Stretch out the arms straight at shoulder level and draw small circles to the front. Keep your abs tucked in and sit up straight as you're doing it. Draw circles to the back. Squeeze your elbows tight behind your back and release the arms straight to the shoulder level. You should really feel the muscles around your scapula working hard now. Shoulders to the front and to the back. Car driver. Put your arms out straight in front of the chest, parallel to the shoulders. Alternate the arms up and down within a small range, just like driving a car. Make sure your elbows are straight. Now alternate your arms up and down in bigger range. Hold on tight to your abs. Keep it up. Stretch your shoulders. Keep your chest lifted and look over to the shoulder. Switch side. Overhead diamonds. Keep the palms together and throw the arms behind your head. Throw it hard so you can really feel the stretch at the back of your arms. Keep your head down and try not to arch your lower back. Get the arms above your head and bend the elbows for small pulses. Keep your elbows point towards the front to make sure you are working out your triceps. Grab your elbow and bend to the side to stretch out the triceps. switch.
Now get your arms straight to the side at shoulders level, palms facing front. Keep the chest open and do small pulses to the back. Keep your abs tight. Keep your shoulders down. Initiate the lift from the elbow instead of thinking of flipping your palms down. You should feel the back of your arms firing up. Give your arms and shoulders a full stretch for a few times. It's time to cool down and give yourself a relaxing stretch after all those strengthening exercises. Put your hands on your lower rib cage. Take in deep breath to expand the diaphragm. Push your hands to two sides as you inhale. Take it slow and don't rush. Chest opener. Inhale, open the chest and shoulders as you squeeze your elbows behind. Then exhale, curl the upper back as you release the arms to the front. You should also feel the spine lengthening as you open up the chest. Roll your shoulders to the back, take it slow, and rotate the shoulders in bigger motion. Roll to the front. Hold and drop. Hold up the shoulders close to your ears and drop down quick. With repeated contract and release, you will be able to feel an instant relaxation on your shoulders. Forward deep. Curl the back and dip your body forward. Let your arms and shoulders drop with gravity. That should release tension from the lower back all the way through the neck. Roll back up after a few dips to avoid feeling too dizzy. Wrap your hands behind the head, tuck in your chin, and look down on your lap as you close the elbow and slightly put pressure on your head. Open the elbow as you roll up. Now hold your neck down. Keep the hold down. You should feel a good stretch at the back of your neck. Keep your shoulders square and gently circle your head to the left and right, then complete a full circle. Circle to the other side. Keep your movement slow. Your right arm under the chair and hold your head with the left arm, then bend to the left. Keep your shoulders leveled. You should feel a good stretch on the side of your neck. Switch to the other side. Get your left arm under your right arm and fold your left arm up to stretch out your shoulder blade. Look over the right shoulder and keep your chest lifted. Now switch to the other side. Get your arms behind and cross the fingers. Then open your chest and pull your arms down. Look up and keep lengthening the spine as you hold. Here comes my favorite dynamic stretch. Cross your fingers with palms facing up. Draw circles slowly from the chest level to above your forehead. Keep your eyes following the path of your hands. You will feel both your neck and shoulders circling in all directions. Reverse and circle to the other side. Hold on to the back of the chair with your right arm, then get your left arm to the outer thigh and spiral to the back. Switch to the other side. Keep your spine lengthened and sit up straight. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Aura Dance YouTube channel. See you all soon!